been a test of the emergency alert system conducted by the National Weather Service office in Spokane, Washington. The official National Weather Service forecast for